What's up, guys? It's rs3 dropping another video for you. And in today's video, cut the camera. In today's video, we are going to be installing the CTS Resonator Delete on my 2020 Audi A3. By that I mean Cody's gonna
rip this box open like it's Christmas, boy.
All right, I award you the fillet knife.
Why does it say solid up there?
Yo, it does.
It does.
That's pretty baller, dude. Stop being a bitch. Just rip it open. So please excuse my bed on the floor, and there's boxes everywhere because we're moving.
Let's see this.
You know what?
Small pipe.
I'm actually gonna be really pissed off if they didn't send me any stickers. Oh, a sticker! Wow. Wow.
Sick.
Yo, I just want you guys to realize that I spent $135 on this.
Cool. Could have got an advanced auto.
Could have got a flex pipe, dude. All right, dude. While Cody's unboxing the rest of that pipe, we're gonna throw the sticker on the sticker stop sign. Okay, I really messed that sticker up. It's not straight at all. That's crooked as hell. It looks like an apostrophe mark. But anyway,
throwing it on there.
Yeah, I guess so. It's probably gonna look like shit. It always looks like shit. I don't even try to edit it. All right, so what's the pipe look like? A pipe?
Looks like a pipe. It's gonna be pretty round.
Ricky? Stop blowing. It's just gonna be fucking massively loud.
Let me see.
Bro. This is.
All right, so now we're at Derek's house. Derek is getting the turbo. Cody and I are waiting. And then we're going to be going to New Jersey to go drop his turbo kit off at A2B Motorsports. His Daza is getting built. I'm probably not going to record too much while I'm there, but I will get a couple clips. Oh, Derek's calling us. But anyways, what I was saying, I probably won't record too much while we're there, but I will get a couple clips for you guys of Derek's car. I don't know if One Sock's car is gonna be there, but we'll video that too. But see this bad bitch. Oh my god, yo.
What's wrong with the turbo? That's the inlet.
The inlet is fucking massive. Put that shit up to your head.
It's black.
Dude, that is so sick.
Yeah.
Is the manifold?
Right here.
Is the manifold in there?
Yeah.
Anyway, tons of content coming soon with this car. It's just gonna be sick.
Go to New Jersey, boy.
Yeah, let's go so we can Iroz Motorsports. After we come back from Jersey, we're gonna go to my house. We're gonna slice the resonator off and we're gonna throw that bad bitch on. I'm gonna get clips for you guys before and after, hopefully, if I remember. If not, deal with it. We might have a slight dilemma here. Guys,
It ain't going
it's not gonna work.
sideways.
Sideways, dude. It's the same. It's a square box. 90-degree angle on each corner, dude. Same.
That's not how it works, buddy. 90 degrees could be anything. It could be a rectangle.
Well, what do you want to try? Come on, Derek. Come on. Turn it sideways.
Not that way. Tilt the closed side this way.
They're both close.
The closed side. Oh, it's closer. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, what? 90 degrees.
Push it!
Wait, how are we going to get it out?
Yeah, we're not. All right, new plan. We're Daza part proofing my trunk so we can fit everything in there. Dude, that shit is sexy as fuck. Is that the down pipe?
No, it's the mid pipe.
Oh, mid pipe. All right, so my car is fully it's full of a giant kit.
It's an IMS 1000 right now. Your car's.
Yeah, is my car an IMS 1000? All right, so we just dropped off Derek's kit. Big moves coming soon. Here she is. She looks pretty sitting there, dude. All right, so we're waiting for Derek to get done pissing, and the next objective of today is to go home, throw on my Resonator Delete, and yeah. All right, we got the car in the air. Cody's little brother's also in the air. So we're gonna go ahead under here. Cut that baby back bitch out right there. And hopefully everything goes as planned.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Cody, you're the cameraman.
Yeah, give me the phone.
My brother just threw me a play. He told me as long as I'm in, you in. Just separate all of the kid from the snakes. We getting this money, the stack is so tall. Won't have to just can I bitch up with a ring.
I ain't finna tell you how I got away with this shit.
bro just threw me a plate. He told me as long as I'm in, you in. Just separate all of the king from the snakes. We getting this money and stacking so tall. Gon' hide you, just clean that bitch up with a rake. Just know I'm coming.
It's a boy. There she is. It's a boy. It's a boy.
All right, so we have to do it for the YouTube channel. We're gonna start straight piped and see what it sounds like. That sounds like shit. And there's a reason why we're not cutting it off right there. I had to skip some quality content there, but Cody's tightening up the last part over here. And on this side, we have that tightened up. After this, we're gonna start it up, test for exhaust leaks. I'm feeling optimistic about it. I don't think the trucker fucking. All right, anyway, we got that pipe on. We're gonna test for exhaust leaks. So this is the first startup. Catalyst downpipe, CTS, Resonator leak. I don't know where I ordered it from. I just bought it. But woo! Take two.
And exhaust leak.
Definitely an exhaust leak. Doesn't sound like it. No. It's coming out. Give it a little gas. Give it a
little exhaust leak.
What do you think?
Exhaust leak.
What do you think? You think he's gonna have the issue farts? I heard you just say it.
No,
Say it back to the camera, boy.
I didn't say that.
I fucking better. Basically why I fucking bought this. I want 40 noise. If I don't, I'm fucking buying my Subaru back.
Gold star.
I'm Stu TV and I approve this message.
What the fuck? Alright, so we're trying to figure out here if my car is going to DSG for it.
A little one.
Nah, I don't think it does. Fuck! Should've got 6 speed.
You launched it?
Yeah.
I kind of like the straight pipe.
Alright, so this isn't really a cold start, but the noise change isn't like immense, but the way it sounds is really nice. I think it's still tame, but like when you're wide open throttle, it definitely is a lot louder, and the pops are a lot louder, but also there's a little exhaust leak back there, so I will inevitably need it welded, which is a story for another day. Fuck you, Kyle. Fuck you. In the driver's seat, the pops are louder, but it also will pop at low RPM now, which is a nice touch to it. Cody, you're missing a headlight. But I really like the fact that I can roll up all the windows and there will be like no sound, which also could be a bad thing, because I could be like making the shit pop and then there's like a cop down the road and I don't see him, blah, 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 and it's just loud as fuck and I don't realize it. Also, a little side note, the install was absolutely miserable because the clamps suck. The clamps are awful. They're not really good clamps at all. I don't like the clamps because they still allow room for exhaust leaks, because the one clamp is bolted down so tight, it's secure, the pipe's not going to go anywhere, but it still bows up a little bit, enough for an exhaust leak to happen. So eventually I'm just going to have to get it welded.
Like in the struggle, I'm keeping it open and busting a fist. Remember, I prayed for these days, now I'm getting this money. These bitches, they coming, they all on my room. I just keep getting laid. I only love money, so give me a raise. Don't fuck with A90, we doing them Grammy. We all getting money, so you getting saved. Tryna run up and get shot in the face. I be with them niggas that really don't play.
Yo, huge shout out to Izzy the Don for sending me some music to use in my videos. So everybody go follow him on YouTube. It's in the description. Go follow him on Instagram. That'll be in the description too. Huge shout out to Izzy. I appreciate you. Make fire music, bro. Izzy's a local artist in my area. So if you guys don't subscribe to him, don't follow him, everything, he's gonna blow the fuck up and you guys aren't gonna get credit as one of his OGs. So go follow him. Also, if you guys need parts for your German car, go to armmotorsports.com and use code STUTV10 for 10% off of everything on the website. But as for my Resonator delete, that shit, it's still quiet. So we might end up having to straight pipe it, which might be a little too loud, but you know what? Fuck it. And as for the next mods on the car, the next mod is going to be a front mount intercooler, because I've taken up recently that I love to roll race. And when it is hot in the summer, that is not very good for your IATs or your intake air temperatures. So we're gonna get an intercooler to keep the car running cool, running good, running clean. Also, Sneaky is supposed to get back to me for my revision on my 93 map. And when that revision follows and he okays it, he will then send me my E30 map. So then we'll have the E30 reaction video. We might also have a 93 pump tune reaction video with my mom, my brother, my dad, maybe someone else. Also, there's most definitely going to be more content coming soon with Derek's Daza. That shit is going to be absolutely ridiculous. I'm trying to get him to boost up his own social media following. He hasn't made any moves yet, so he's not gonna get a shout out yet. But anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you're commenting, liking, turning on post notifications, all that shit. If you guys need parts for your German car, go to armmotorsports.com. Use code STUTV10 for 10% off of everything on the website. If you guys need dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com. Use code S2TV for 10% off of everything on the website. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Also, go to the description below. Follow Izzy the Don. Makes fire shit. Thank you guys for watching. We almost have 5K subs. Love all of you, each and every single one of you. Thank you. Peace out. Bye.
Me a plate, he told me as long as I'm in, you in. Just separate all of the king from the snakes. We getting this money and stacking so tall. Gon' hide it, just clean that bitch up with a rake. Just know I'm coming on top, don't matter the spot. Gon' hide